In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a job on LinkedIn in less than 5 minutes. Whether you're a hiring manager or just stepping into the HR field, this tutorial will simplify the process, guiding you through each step to effectively reach potential candidates on this professional platform. Let's dive right in. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to LinkedIn's website. If you aren't familiar with LinkedIn yet, it's the world's largest professional network, and having an account can significantly bolster your hiring capabilities. Once the web page loads, locate and click on the Sign In button. It's typically situated at the top right corner of the page, and you'll need your registered email and password to log in. If you don't have a LinkedIn account, make sure to create one first. It's a relatively straightforward process, requiring just a few basic details. After logging in, you'll be directed to your LinkedIn homepage. This is your dashboard where all your professional updates, connections, and opportunities converge. From here, look towards the top of the page for the Jobs tab. It's nestled among several other options, such as Network and Messaging. Clicking this will take you into the realm of job postings and applications, a place where recruiters and candidates meet and connect. Now that you're on the Jobs page, the next move is to click on Post a Free Job. This option provides an accessible way for businesses or individual recruiters to reach out to potential candidates without any initial cost, making it a perfect choice for small businesses or startups just starting out. Look carefully for the button, usually positioned prominently to grab your attention. Once you've clicked Post a Free Job, you'll be guided through the steps to create your job listing. This part involves entering all relevant details about the position, such as the job title, company name, and location. It's imperative to be as clear and detailed as possible. Capture the essence of what the role requires, any essential qualifications needed, and what the company offers in return. Think of this as your first introduction to prospective candidates, so make it inviting and informative. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully posted a job on LinkedIn. Make sure to review your listing for any errors or omissions before publishing it to the vast LinkedIn community. Stay attentive to applications as they begin to come in, and be prompt in your communication with candidates. Effective posting on LinkedIn opens up a world of opportunity to find the right talent for your organization. And now you've mastered the process. Happy recruiting!